सीन्स कुछ ऐसे हैं। सीन्स कुछ ऐसे हैं कि मैंने कल सब बता दिया था मैं दुबई क्यों आया हूँ, कब जाऊँगा, कैसे जाऊँगा। एक बात मैंने नहीं बताई थी, मैं वापस पाकिस्तान प्राइवेट जेट में जाऊंगा और प्राइवेट जेट में मेरे साथ कुछ और लोग भी होंगे, रोनाल्डिनियो, निकोलस अनेल्का, रॉबर्ट पेरेज, रायन गिग्स। भाई देखो, मेरे खानदान में से तो आज तक कोई प्राइवेट जेट में बैठा नहीं, मैं पहला हूँ खानदान का जो प्राइवेट जेट में बैठेगा। लेकिन वो तो बात की बात है, प्राइवेट जेट तो सही है। मतलब रोनाल्डो इसी वजह से मैंने कल नहीं बताया था कि कोई नज़र वज़र नहीं लग जाए भाई। मतलब सीन्स कुछ ऐसे हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। मैं अभी कूल एक्ट कर रहा हूँ क्या, अच्छा हाँ सही है, देख लेंगे, लेकिन अभी तक सिंक इन नहीं हुआ। दुनिया में पहली दफ़ा ऐसा हुआ होगा कि कोई शख्स होटल से टैक्सी में बैठ के प्राइवेट जेट से फ्लाई करेगा। And then? Yeah, that's okay. Just keep going straight.
YouTube, man.
Who's your favorite player? MORTE? Really? NOKIA, they just gave me this big opportunity.
Okay, so you gotta
I
get the
got
most
lucky.
of it.
I got lucky.
Yeah, you gotta take the most of it. Don't try to overdo it, because when you try to overdo it,
Yeah.
that's when you're gonna make mistakes after mistakes, you know.
Yeah.
How to make it to the top? Yeah. Well, dedication's probably the first step. You know, you've got to work hard, man. We've got.
You think luck
got a number
plays
of-
any part in it?
Luck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, it might be an injury that gives you a chance. It might be someone missing the bus. What position you play?
Striker.
Nicholas Anelka.
Yeah. Football taught you more than any other thing in life. You agree, right?
Yeah.
So what should I tell those kids?
Well, first of all, football is a beautiful game. And if you like football and if you want to become a football player, you have some stage. So you have to start very, very early. But if you like it, if you like football and if you want to become a football player, first it's hard work every day, and believe in yourself. This is the most important in football and in life.
And I'm talking about myself. You're the striker, and you know if you had scored that goal, your team could have won.
Yeah.
How do you bounce back from that?
If you are not strong in your head, don't do sports. Study, yeah, maybe, but sport is mental. Even if you have quality, if you are very good, you don't have anything in your head, you are not strong, you will never become a professional. Maybe when I will be back in front of the goalkeeper, maybe this time or next time I will score. But also you can miss and miss and miss and miss and miss.
If you're not strong in that.
If you're not strong, at the end, what is the most important? It's when you score. When you are a football player, your head. This is very important.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, I got to
Can I take a picture with you?
Yeah.
Please. Thank you. Hello everybody. So Robert, all these people here, they're representing news channels. I just have my YouTube channel. I'm not representing, I am a football player.
Okay.
So I want to ask you, currently in international football, who do you think is the best player?
Oh, so what do you mean? When I played or
Currently,
now? Or
right now.
Now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an odd question.
And Elka said there are two,
He said who?
Ronaldo and Messi.
I think Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I have three. You know, he's like on the podium. He's Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi and Neymar.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Thank you.
मुझे लग रहा था इन प्लेयर्स में एटीट्यूड होगा, सुपरस्टार्स हैं, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं मैच कोई खेलने आया हूँ, ड्रेसिंग रूम में बैठा हूँ और दोस्तों से बातें कर रहा हूँ.
Like this and
Yeah.
this.
That was Nicholas Anelka's agent.
No, this is true.
Really?
Yeah.
He is the funniest player.
He's so funny. He's really no. I'm telling you honestly.
Are you okay? Do you have any message for all the Man U supporters in Pakistan?
No, just excited to meet them really. I know that United have got a lot of fans all around the world, but everyone keeps telling me that it's nothing like when you go to Pakistan. So no, it'd be good for me and also for the Pakistan fans to see a United player also. Thank you.
सीन्स कुछ ऐसे हैं कि आपके भाई इरफान जुनेजो प्राइवेट जेट में जा रहे हैं along with Ronaldinho. Current football, international football, who do you think is the best player in the world?
You have two, and you know the names. You have two big players.